guys, Sarah and Cora, the Shape Stretch dog here from Shape Stretch. Happy holidays. Just wanted to let you guys know I just got my package from Shape Stretch. Super excited. I wanted to take you with me as I open it to see what's inside. I'm so excited because it's just in time for the holidays. I've been feeling really stiff as a result of Thanksgiving dinner. So let me show you what's inside the box. Let's open it. As you can see, I mean, not only did I order it so I knew what it was, but you can see it has this Shape Stretch sticker and Made in the USA, which I love. And I'm really excited because I'm here with my family, and this is something that I know I'm gonna have to fight them for. It's something that everyone can use, which is great, and it's, again, like I said, perfect for the holidays, perfect gift. They come in different colors. I ordered black. As you can see, I'm a fan of black, but I just think it goes with everything, as well as our little workout studio setup we have here, our workout from home. I recommend using scissors for the plastic. So let's just give me 1 second while I get into this. So now that I have the stretch bar out of the plastic, let me show you guys what's inside. So we have our stretch bar, and I put the grips on, but let me take them off to show you. So we have our nice new stickers. I don't know if you can see that. It looks really nice on the black. And then we have our grips. So I like to put mine here and here, but there's so many different ways to use the bar that you can really, they're easy to take off and move as you're stretching, which is great. I'll put that back on the top, but it also comes with a great bag, which I love, a little drawstring bag. And inside the drawstring bag, we have our stretch manual, which hangs on the bar like so. So if you're sitting or if you're lying, doing the movements, you can see what your form is supposed to look like as you're doing the stretch. And then we also have our little booklet, which is, we've been working really hard on this for you guys. We know you're gonna love it, but it looks fantastic now that I have it in my hand. And I mean, this is honestly the best tool for stretching. We have, as you can see, little diagrams, so you can see what movement you're doing along with your stretch. So you have the right form, you have the right movement down. As a personal trainer, I can't stress the importance of form enough to make sure you know where you're supposed to feel not only the exercise or movement, but the stretch is absolutely crucial, and it makes for the most efficient stretch possible. So anyway, now you see what was inside my stretch box. I wanna see how you guys shape stretch. Tag us in your videos and photos, and can't wait to stretch with you soon.